Hi everyone, welcome to this new engraving tutorial. Today we're working with wood, one of the easiest and most relaxing materials to work with. Lately, I've been getting so many questions from people who want to start engraving, especially one in particular. Where do I begin? And I always tell them the same thing: wood. Definitely wood. It's smooth, forgiving, and perfect for learning the basics. So, today I'll show you how you can create beautiful designs even if you're just starting out. Before we begin, let's get everything ready. You'll need your customizer, safety glasses, a mask, and either a ball bit or the carbide burr. Both work beautifully on wood. And a quick note on safety: keep your workspace clean and well ventilated, and hold the piece steady while you work. I used to forget to clean my surface before engraving, and the dust would mess up the engraved lines. It dirties the bit and leaves stains. Now I never skip that step. Everything's ready, let's start. I'll show the process on the coaster from the Resparked kit, but you can use whatever soft wooden piece you have at home. I also recommend using stencils at first because it makes the process so much easier, especially when you're just starting. I chose this beautiful Resparked floral stencil that goes perfectly with the design I have in mind. Place the stencil on the coaster. Then trace the design lightly with a pencil or marker. Once your outline is ready, choose your bit. For wood, I usually stick to either a ball bit or the carbide burr. Ball bits give softer, cleaner lines, perfect for delicate designs like this. The carbide burr is amazing for deeper grooves if you want more texture. Customizer to speed 2. That's the ideal medium setting for wood. And now you're ready to go. When you begin engraving, think short, gentle strokes instead of long, continuous lines. Short strokes help your hand stay steady and give you much smoother results. Work your way slowly around the outline and then come back to deepen any areas you want to highlight. It is pretty forgiving, so you can always go over a line again if you want it stronger. And here's how it turned out. I love how clean and soft the lines look on bamboo. It's such a satisfying material to work with. It's one of those projects that reminds you how simple engraving can be when you take it slow. For the next piece, I wanted to make something a little more personal. A small wooden memory box. The phrase I chose is, "Let's make memories together." It fits the box so well. When you're doing lettering, take your time and follow the natural grain of the wood. And once you outline each word, a second pass makes the engraving crisp and clean. It doesn't need to be perfect. Handmade lettering always has a charm of its own. And that's exactly what makes a gift like this feel so personal. I think it makes a perfect gift for your partner. You can fill it with photos, notes, ticket stubs, anything that represents little moments you've shared together. Now that you're getting the hang of the customizer, you can start engraving pieces like this too. Simple objects that instantly turn into beautiful home decor for the holidays. This wooden tray is one of my favorite examples because just a few engraved stars, little shapes, or a festive message can give your space such a warm, cozy feeling. That's the beauty of using the customizer for seasonal decorating. You can take everyday items and turn them into something special for every holiday. And here are our 3 finished pieces. Once you get comfortable with these simple strokes, you can try engraving on cutting boards, wooden utensils, phone stands, keychains. Honestly, wood is so full of possibilities. Every material has the chance to turn into something else with the customizer. Drop in the comments what service you want to see next and click the subscribe button to keep leveling up your DIY projects. See you next time.